everyone! Today I will introduce our new product, four-way vehicle monitoring system. The model of the system is SA-KC44DP, and you can see the box. Let me show you something. There are 3 packages inside and 1 instruction menu. The first package is our display and a bracket. The display is 10.1 inch, suitable for all vehicles. The bracket can hold the display in the car. You can adjust up and down position. The second one, there are 4 tiny cameras. Each one is tightly. The left side of the 2 cameras can be installed on the left and right of the car, and the other can be installed on the front and back of the car. The last one, there are 3 pieces of 5 meters extension cables and 1 piece of 15 extension cable to wire the camera. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.